Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the tint so adhesive softens. That's the only way to remove it without damage. You hold the heat gun 6-8 inches away and move continuously, hot but not blistering. Once the film yields, lift a corner with a fingernail or plastic tool and pull slowly at a low angle. You must keep heating as you go, because cold adhesive tears the film and leaves residue behind. Stay patient and control speed to avoid cracking the lens. Once you have an edge, you continue peeling while applying steady heat. That prevents stretch and ragged tears. Make sure to reheat whenever the film resists. This loosens adhesive and keeps the peel continuous. If bits remain, spray isopropyl and let it soak for 30-60 seconds, then lift with the plastic scraper. You must work in small patches, so repeated heat and solvent cycles remove glue without harsh abrasion. Keep checking for haze. Don't overscrub plastic lenses. To finish, wash the lens with mild soap and warm water, rinse and dry thoroughly. This removes solvent traces and prevents streaks. Inspect the lens closely. Light scuffs can be polished with a plastic polish, but deep scratches mean replacement. If adhesive remains, reapply heat and isopropyl, then repeat gentle scraping. That tip clears stubborn spots. Finally, reinstall any housings, test the lights, and make sure seals are intact, so moisture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.